Silent screams as the forest sheds. Mother Earth left cold and dead. Rivers dry, turned to barren threads. Global South faces what we led. Concrete jungles where green is bled. Old Earth preying on a single thread. Deforestation, land grabs for greed. Polluted waters where life used to breathe. Biohazards in the air we breathe. Generation next, planet bitter seed. Nature torn asunder, watch it fade. Biosphere in crisis, no safe shade. Species lost, extinction's cold parade. Forests burn, seas rise unmade. Carbon footprint, left with heavy tread. Animals disappear, ecosystems bled. Nature's bounty, all turn dry. Corporates rule, while nature dies. Web of life, unraveling with haste. Chaos reigns, no time to pretend. Ecosystem's dying, ain't no man. Earth's on fire, time to make amends. Biological storm, we can't suspend. Endangered lives, vanishing fast. Silent forests, echoes from the past. Microscopic threats, shadows they cast. Human greed, feeding the blast. Rise and fight, the call to defend. Mother Nature's crying, we must transcend. Wasteland cries as species fall apart. Human hands tearing every part. Microplastics in the ocean's heart. Toxic landscapes, where do we start? Soil bare, with no more ground to give. Life struggles, fighting just to live. Hollow echoes, where the wild ones thrive. Their legacy now barely survived. Lost in flames, ecosystems burn alive. 6 mass extinction, only the fittest survive. Echoes of the wild, now a silent cry. Human footprint deep, as the innocent die. Biodiversity, the web we fray. Species gone missing, like the light of day. Clear-cut forest, a barren display. Greed over green, as life fades away. Climate crisis, we're at the brink, slope away. Urban sprawl, tears at the seams. Concrete giants, silencing dreams. Silent rivers, poison streams. The earth's lament, nature screams. Collapse of systems, can't deny. Corporate plunder, the reasons why. Biodiversity, left high and dry. Future cries, a bitter lullaby.